Welcome everybody to another Voice of Nick show. We're in Tokyo, and it's after dark in AKIHABARA. It's approaching December. Why did I take off my mask to sneeze? It's approaching December here, so it gets dark really fast. Yeah, so maybe around like 4:30, it's already pretty dark outside. What do I want? I should probably get another water. What do I got here water-wise? I try to keep a water in my bag. This is probably fine for now. I will get another water though soon. Cafe. And I missed that traffic light. You can hear that sound in the background, sort of whistling sound. That means that you can walk. Because the traffic lights take a really long time here, since they kind of accommodate for everyone walking. I have like receipts in my pocket along with the change, and it's making it hard to actually find the change that's in my pocket. Let me throw out the receipts. Oh, this is a big boy. Bigger than I expected, wow. Usually when they're pictured this size, in reality they're actually smaller than they look. They're usually that kind of like mini size that most cans are. You know, like that size. This is a lot bigger than that. Alright, so let's we're gonna head over to Shinjuku. I'm going to a really cool event, a festival that someone told me about. I'm pretty pumped for that. So I'm gonna meet them there. It's apparently like a sort of like a freak show type thing. Well, not a freak show, but you know, like a carnival atmosphere with like all different kinds of like I don't know, I like The Greatest Showman. I call them freaks. Me and my friends call everybody in Greatest Showman freaks, but in a good way, in an endearing way, where everybody has a special talent, you know, fire eaters and all that kind of stuff. Oh, this thing is good. Milk cafe. So we're gonna go to AKIHABARA station. We're gonna head to Shinjuku, and I don't know. I'll probably stop the show while I'm on the train, like always. This will be a quick one for this. We want to get on the J. Which train here? I think it's the the Yamanote line. Sazanami? 聞いたことない. The B line. JB. That is the... couldn't see it in time. For Shinjuku. Sogu line. Yeah, as you guys have seen, like sometimes I'm in more of a rush than others, where it's like I'm just streaming me going from wherever I am to the train station. But hopefully you enjoy these little ones just as much. Seeing what it's like to go to the subway in Tokyo is definitely fascinating, in my opinion. As you can tell, I'm in AKIHABARA a lot. Whoa. There's a big old train full of people. So, we're here. I will stop the show now. Nice little short episode. And we'll start it back up possibly when I get to Shinjuku. We'll see how, what kind of time this time situation's like. But thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Yeah, it's probably going to be a pretty crowded time right now because it's sort of like generally the time when people might come out of work, so we'll close it out. See you later.